Little pack out joint here. Put all your good tools on top. Coffee. But most importantly, your pack out. Integratable. Now I just gotta get it to collapse. Once I be able to collapse it, make it mobile, it'll be a wrap. Now when you put your bag on, or whatever, click it right in. You know, you need some more storage. Click it in, get into it, you know. Get into it, get into your bag. This thing's so adorable, look. I can put a 15-inch tote, pack-out tote, on the bottom of this thing. I got 2 bags and 3 organizers on this thing. The 2 station organizers that never come out. 1 organizer that comes with these that are clip onto either bag, bunch of tools. You got the whole top to put all your tools, you know what I mean? Whatever you need. Just this is great. This is just too great. This is groundbreaking material that you are looking at right now. Groundbreaking. This is gonna change the